Hello everyone, in this video we are just going to download and install the Keil Microvision IDE cracked version onto your PC. Let's get started. So we are just going to install the Keil Microvision IDE in this particular PC that I am having. So this is the Keil MDK version 5.39 in a cracked manner for my Windows PC. So the benefit of the cracked version or the full version of Keil is that the light version is limited to 32 KBs of program memory. So if you are trying to develop some programs in the light version or in the free version of Keil Microvision IDE, the program that you are writing will be limited to 32 KB irrespective of the memory size of the microcontroller that you are working on. For example, if the microcontroller is capable of storing 512 KBs of flash memory, but if you are using the Keil Microvision IDE in a light version or in a free edition, you cannot program the microcontroller till the 512 KBs, but instead you will be limited to 32 KB. That is the major problem in the light version or in the free version. Before starting the installation process in your PC, just go to the virus and threat protection settings in the control panel and turn off all the protections right over here. This is the mandatory step, as this will probably delete the keygen that we are going to extract from the RAR folder. I am just going to extract this particular folder. The password here is 123. So for this particular zip file, you can just download this in the description of this video that you are watching. And now I'm just going to move inside the folder, and here I'm just going to double click on this particular application exe file for starting the installation process of this particular IDE. If it is prompting you to allow this app to make changes to your device, just click on yes, and here in the first tab just click on the next. Click on this checkbox, I agree to the terms of preceding license agreement, and click on next. And here if you want to change the directory of the installation files, you can change that by clicking on this particular browse. I'm just going to proceed the same path, that is in the C drive. I'm just clicking on next. Here you can just enter the company credentials if you want. So this is just for reference, nothing much. Just click on next. You can see the installation process is started. Just wait till the installation process is complete. Now click on the install right over here for downloading and installing the USB driver required for ARM devices, that is the ARM processor based devices. And now click on finish to complete the installation process. And here if you want to download and install the respective packages for the microcontroller that you want to start work on, you can directly type in the microcontroller name. For example, STM32F4. You can see, you can select any one of the microcontroller device right over here, and you can install the package right over here. For now I'm just going to skip this step, and now I'm just going to click on the start menu and Keil. I'm opening the Keil Microvision 5 IDE, and the next step is, this is the free version that we have installed successfully in the PC. The first thing that I'm going to do is, I'm just going to click on the file license management. Just click on this license management in the file tab. In the single user license tab, just copy the CID number. We need this CID number. And now close this, minimize this. Inside the crack, just run this keygen. Here you can just paste that CID number, and in this target just select ARM, and in this tab right over here just select the Professional Cortex M and click on generate. You can see you got the generated key right over here. Copy this, and inside this Keil, now go to the license management again, and now you can paste that right over here in the new license ID code and click on this add LIC button right over here. Okay, the problem here is you need to open the Keil microvision ID in an administrator mode. So I'm just copying this, closing this. So and I'm closing the Keil. Now in the desktop, I'm just going to right click and run as administrator. Yes. Now file license management, and this time I'm just going to paste this. I'm just going to verify the CID number right over here. It is the same. This will be the same. And now I'm just exiting the keygen, and now I'm just going to click on the add LIC. You can see the LIC license added and it expires in 2032. Click on close. Now the Keil microvision ID is fully free for you until the memory size of the microcontroller that you are working on. So I hope in this video you learned how to install Keil microvision 5 IDE full version on Windows PC in a cracked manner in this particular video. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.